Good day. I'm going to read from 1 Corinthians 1 and verse 18. For the message of the cross is foolishness to those who are perishing, but to us who are being saved, it is the power of God. This time of the year, we have the privilege to celebrate Jesus, the cross, and His glorious resurrection. There's no way that we can separate the cross from what happened on Golgotha 2,000 years ago. There are people who want Jesus without the cross. The hard truth is that if we could travel back in time and see the cross in its original context, we would realize that it was a bloody and vile symbol. It would have been the worst picture imaginable to see someone hanging on the cross. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. John 14, verse 6. In other words, salvation and eternal life can only be found through Him. Humankind's decision to disobey God and pursue sin created an existential crisis with only one solution: to satisfy God's perfect justice and wrath. A perfect sacrifice had to be offered in our place. Someone who had never sinned and had to die in the place of everyone else who did sin. Only Jesus lived a sinless life. Only He had the power to conquer death, so only He could save us. If living a good moral life could get us to heaven, then Jesus never would have died for us. But He did die. At the cross, Jesus purchased the salvation of the world. If you ever have tempted to doubt God's love for you, even for a moment, take a long, hard look at the cross. Nails did not hold Jesus to that cross. His love did. God bless you.